Faulkner Architects skillfully navigated the intricate dance between nature and design in crafting a house deeply influenced by its unique location. Situated at the base of a 3-million-year-old volcano, the building site boasts a 20-degree north-facing slope, 6,300 feet above sea level. The terrain, enriched with volcanic sediment and colossal boulders, resides amidst a stand of second-growth Jeffrey pine and white fir trees. The tree trunks, standing tall and stripped by harsh winters, create a mesmerizing visual against the horizon. Positioned at an angle to the slope, they serve as constant reminders of the perpendicular horizon in the distance. The sparse ground, covered in pine needles and cones, showcases clusters of manzanita, forming an organic, opportunistic pattern. The main space, a singular form reminiscent of a cozy ski cabin, houses living and cooking areas. Concealed behind an acoustically detailed California walnut screen are the bedrooms. The entry level, covered with earth, accommodates the garage, playroom, craft room, and ski locker. A vertical access cuts through the plan, connecting to the south at grade level. Incorporating 20-inch thick insulated concrete walls made from local sand and aggregate, the ground form extends to enclose the entire space. Full-height structurally glazed sliding doors open the interior to the southwesterly breezes, while the concrete walls create exterior territories at each end. An angled extension into the slope allows the surrounding grade to pour into the building form through a 10-foot wide opening. The red-orange glass, reminiscent of cooling magma, not only pays homage to the site's geology but also provides a warm and inviting aesthetic. This warm glow permeates the interior, particularly bathing the entry and central stair in light. A cleared ski access to the east influenced the plan's integration into the slope, creating a narrow slot that mirrors the continuous space of a ski run. The material palette, deliberately minimal, comprises concrete, glass, and walnut. Basalt, used for the floors, establishes a visual link between the house and the volcanic boulders scattered in the landscape. With a focus on energy efficiency, the design incorporates enhanced insulation, R80 roof, radiantly heated floors, and high-efficiency mechanical equipment. In response to the heightened risk of California wildfires, the concrete and steel exterior of the house is resistant to fire and demands low maintenance. The integration of sustainability design revolves around energy retention, aligning with the architect's commitment to environmental consciousness. The house's form and design are meticulously attuned to the surrounding natural elements, creating a seamless blend between architecture and landscape. Faulkner Architects' thoughtful approach ensures not only aesthetic harmony but also environmental sustainability. By embracing the challenges and opportunities presented by the volcanic site, the architects have produced a residence that not only stands as a testament to innovative design but also pays respectful homage to the geological history and ecological context. Faulkner Architects' creation stands as an exemplar of how architectural ingenuity can transform a challenging landscape into a harmonious living space, emphasizing the interconnectedness of design, nature, and sustainability.